Alright, this is our first attempt. We have another bird in the flue. The first one I put on YouTube, and that was on the 4th. This is on the 14th. And so we're just going to try to take this cage and go ahead and open the flue, push the cage back, and then as we push the cage back, hopefully the bird will fall down and then into the cage. So we're going to try this again, see what happens. And I got my friend Matt with me, so he's going to help. So hopefully you won't see birds flying up in the rafters, and they're pretty darn high, so, you know, bombs from above all over my leather couch. That's what I'm thinking. So here we go, and first attempt. Shoot. It's enough. I mean, the other bird went right in. And I did open, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty positive. Remember the last time we made the pole? And you made the diamond box and went up to the diamond window and freaking pulled it all the way down there and your son let it go? That was cool.
That's cool.
Yeah. And everybody doesn't believe me here. Dude, this is the third time this has happened. Yeah, I think the best way is to back off, and then I'm going to keep filming through this. The last time I got the bird down there, but I didn't get the bird in the cage because I was too afraid that it was going to go through the cage. So we'll see what happens.
He can fit through the cage.
Can he?
Yep.
Shit. God damn it. It just, no, kiddo. Here, I'll get a, here, no, I'll get a towel. Yeah, I'm getting it. Kiddo. All right, dude. Shit. Oh God. Is he okay? Okay. He hit the window. Oh man. Is he okay?
I think he's okay.
Alrighty. Okay, let's see.
There he goes.
And he's free. And that's not how to catch a bird in my house. Right on, Matt. Freaking awesome, dude. Sweet. Well, that worked like a charm. Nice cage effect.